Hi, Chandler Tenney here with Keystone RV's Passport division. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the Passport brand, which is an ultralight for Keystone RV. This model here is the 3352 Bunkhouse, or BH. This is a very unique floor plan in the fact that it's a travel trailer that's under 8,000 pounds and also a bath and a half. So very, very versatile, half-ton towable as well. Starting up front here, we do use a molded fiberglass front cap. This has got 3 coats of automotive paint and clear coat on it, so it's going to stand the test of time. This is an upgrade generally than what you'd see with a piece of fiberglass skin, so this will stand the test of time. On the side here, we do have 45 cubic feet of pass-through storage. We also have slam latch baggage doors as well on both ends. We have big doors on both sides. Big doors on both sides, and a convenience center in the opposite side, which would house all of your city water connections, your electric stabilizer jack buttons, your solar prep, or excuse me, your satellite prep, the Key TV, which is a Keystone exclusive feature that uses independent lines for hooking up the cable TV or satellite, so a more direct signal there. And then we have on these units, we now have Solar Flex, which is a standard solar setup from the factory. So every Keystone Passport is going to come with a 200 watt Future Solutions panel, a 15 amp Victron charge controller, and then that will all be pre-wired to 7 outlets inside the coach. The flexible part of Solar Flex would be that we can upgrade that to our 400i Solar Flex setup, which is an available option from the factory, where it comes with a 2000 watt inverter, a 30 amp charge controller, and then an additional 200 watt Future Solutions panel already mounted on the roof.
Awesome.
So that gives you 7 dedicated outlets inside the unit that you can use off 110 power. The solar itself will power anything 12 volt. And then we just released this week that we will be offering lithium batteries directly from the factory installed.
Nice.
So for $2,700 retail, a customer can purchase a unit with batteries already installed. We use Dragonfly batteries, which is an industry leader as far as lithium is concerned. They're 100 amp hour heated batteries, so you're getting 200 amp hours of lithium on the front of the trailer. Also in 2 secured boxes with a locking strap and a lock directly from the factory.
Nice.
Best part about that is they do have a recycling program, once the batteries are done, but you get 3,000 full charge cycles out of one lithium battery.
Wow.
And also, one lithium is about comparable to 2 lead acid batteries.
Right.
As far as, those are about 50 amp hours, and one of these lithium batteries is about 100 amp hours. Cool thing about it, the minute the customer takes delivery of the unit, if they do purchase the batteries from us, they'll get a 10-year warranty on the batteries themselves, which is pretty unheard of.
Yeah.
So you have your solar setup automatically maintaining your batteries and really helping extend the life. So the minute you walk out to your trailer, it's fully charged. Your 12 volt fridge is nice and cool in 30 minutes and not 2 or 3 hours. So just trying to make camping easy.
Yes.
Moving along on this floor plan, we do have electric stabilizer jacks. So with the touch of a button, you can run those down. It makes setup nice and easy. Up front, you have an electric tongue jack as well. So hold the button, you run it down. No more let's get up cranking. And then we do have an electric awning as well with the LED light strip. So those 3 things, full power, making setup nice and easy. You have a 5-year warranty on all of our exterior graphics, so you're covered for the next 5 years on those. And then you also have solid steps in this particular model. All of our GT series floor plans come with the solid steps, which make it a nice planted approach into the trailer. And then your entry doors are all friction hinged, so it doesn't matter where you put the door, it's going to hold itself in place. So no more struts to worry about. You can really open that door up to get inside of the trailer, which is nice and easy. And then your large entry handle, making a nice safe approach into the trailer. We do use 15-inch aluminum wheels on this trailer with your Trailer King tires. The rims themselves do have a lifetime warranty. The tires have a 5-year warranty. The axles we use are Dexter axles, which are the best in the industry. Lifetime warranty on the welds, 5-year warranty axles themselves. As far as the manufacturer goes, we have an industry-leading 1-year bumper to bumper and a 3-year structural warranty on this entire trailer. So
Wonderful.
1 year bumper to bumper, 3 years structural. Cool thing about this trailer, you're out here, it holds a lot of people, 10 to 12 people inside of this trailer. So if you're gonna use the bathroom, you don't have to tromp through the trailer. You can walk in right here and simply walk right out, keeping the inside nice and clean.
Nice.
So second entry is very nice, especially in a bunkhouse. Outside kitchen. So everybody loves entertaining outside. You're going to get a mini fridge here for all your cold beverages, and then a 2-burner range, which will, you can keep the bacon smell outside or the fish smell outside if you want, but making it so you can kind of enjoy the great outdoors.
All right.
All of our units on the back here do have exterior ladders, so you're going to have a ladder on the back of the unit. In some cases right now with shortages, we're not able to get ladders, but it will always be backed for a ladder. If for some reason it didn't have that from the factory. Once they become more readily available, we will be offering those just like normal.
Okay.
Up top, you have an 18-year warranty on your roof membrane itself, and then you also have a fully walkable roof. So you can get up there, inspect your seals, brush the stuff off your slide out if you have any, and get up there nice and safely under your rear ladder.
What type of membrane does it have? Is it
It's a TPO.
TPO?
It's made
Okay.
by Alpha Systems.
Okay.
It's the Alpha Superflex.
All right. Awesome.
Spare tires, always standard.
Beautiful. All right.
Let's go ahead and check out the inside of the trailer. One thing we really focus on inside of every single Passport is storage, maximizing storage. If there's a place to put a cabinet or a drawer, we're going to do it.
Come in this way.
And in this particular model, this is a second, basically the second rendition of this model, which it used to be called the 3350, then the 3351, and now the 3352. Some of the benefits to this floor plan are you have a nice large closet or pantry right when you walk inside of the unit, right? Nice large TV with seating directly across from the TV, and then you have a nice walk-through bathroom, right? Leading up to your bedroom. All of our beds are all 60 by 80 residential queen beds. You have large wardrobes on both sides with cabinets overhead. You have a nice drawer on the off-camp side of the unit, and then you also have this nice large bathroom. The bathroom itself has a 24 by 30 inch rectangular shower with a shower door that opens up all the way, making it nice and easy to get in there. And then you have a skylight up above so that if you are taller, you do get a little bit additional headroom and some natural light in there.
Just for reference, how tall are you?
I'm 6'2".
Okay.
And if you want to see me in here, let's go for it.
Sure.
So
Nice.
got plenty of space in here, especially with the vaulted ceilings. So that's going to give you an additional roughly 3.5 inches of ceiling height inside each one of our GT series floor plans. All of our SL series will have your traditional flat roof on the inside, and then a 5-inch radius on the outside. So this has a 5-inch radius on the inside and outside, which gives you the additional roughly 3.5 inches.
Yep, just for reference, I am not using a fisheye lens, so you're getting a pretty true representation of the arc on the ceiling.
Absolutely.
So, yeah.
So again, storage. We tried to stuff cabinet doors and drawers wherever we could. Is also trying to maximize countertop space. One way of doing that is offering this countertop extension. So in the towing state, I guess you would have it just like this.
Right.
Need a little bit of extra countertop, boom. No problem.
Nice.
You have trash can storage in each one of our units, so you can access it from both sides, whether you're working in the kitchen or you just want to step in and throw something away. You got a nice large spot to put a trash can in there. You got 3 drawers here. You got drawers underneath your move dinette, which is a U-shaped dinette, and that's on both sides. So this is going to offer sleeping space for another 2 people, or 2 small children. Up front you have 2. Here's 2 more, and then back here in your bunk room you have sleeping space for, this would be 8, 9, 10.
Wow.
So 10 people total inside of this trailer. And the best part about it is, not only do you get a unit that has a ton of square footage and is also half ton towable as far as weight's concerned, you also get the benefit of having 2 bathrooms. So here's the biggest perk. Very rarely do you get a travel trailer that's half ton towable with 2 bathrooms.
Yeah.
And here you have a separate bathroom, which would be your half bath, and we saw it from the outside now, but this is what it looks like from the inside. And a little cool thing we did here is we stuffed more storage and under the bunk area. Again, anywhere we can, we're trying to maximize storage. So whether it's exterior storage or interior storage, we really took a good approach at maximizing that. And it's definitely something that customers are coming looking for and definitely love.
Yeah. All right. I see a pantry behind you too.
Yeah. Again,
all right.
3 more drawers, a full pantry. These are removable shelves, so if you want to use a hanging rod in there, you'd be able to do that as well. We also have 12-volt refrigerators now, standard in all of our units, with the gas electric as an available option. The reason why we're going towards this 12-volt approach is we do have solar, like we talked about earlier, standard, and a 12-volt fridge is going to give you an additional storage capacity over a gas electric. It's also got a lower amp draw, so it's going to work better with the solar and use less energy. And then it's 2 cubic foot larger. Right? So benefit to this is it cools down about 30 minutes versus 2 or 3 hours with a conventional RV gas electric fridge. So being that the solar's out there, if you have this thing parked in your driveway unplugged, you know that this is going to be cold when you do run the groceries out to get ready for your weekend trip.
Right. Yeah, those things are massive when you compare them to an RV fridge.
Yeah, we're coming a long way in the fridge department.
All right. So, yep, standard microwave it looks like.
Standard microwave. We got a 17-inch oven here and a 3-burner range with a glass top, so that gives you a little bit more additional countertop space if you do need it. Something else that we do generally in a floor plan like this, you would just have a solid wall here. So we're trying to maximize campsite views, right? So that's where everybody's going to be sitting out there, and generally you're just looking at a wall. So we do have a window here that you can open up so you can see what's going on outside.
And we love that. We love that.
Absolutely. We have additional TV hookups that are all part of our key TVs set up, or again, the independent feeds. So you have your main TV, you have an additional TV hookup inside of the bedroom, and then one in the bunkhouse area as well too.
All right.
This is a perfect option for somebody that has a large family, or maybe if, the kids want to bring their friends, or in-laws come with them. You can sleep a lot of people in here and not have to upgrade that tow vehicle.
And these are, decent sized bunks.
Absolutely.
So what are
definitely sleep an adult up there.
What are the weight ratings on these?
You have a 300-pound weight rating on this bunk here, and then 150-pound on anything that's got on a hinge. So you can raise this up.
Gotcha.
And lock it into place. And then these will convert out into a bed, or what a lot of kids will do is just use them as kind of a couch. Lock this up, and then they sit down here and watch TV. Got a nice ladder here to be able to walk up inside the bunk area too. Tons of storage. Check out all the storage we have. Six cabinet doors here just for the kids, and then right around the corner you have that large pantry or additional closet space if they needed it.
Yep, you've got a window up above there, a window back here, and a window up above there.
Yep.
So yeah, plenty of light.
Tons of natural daylight.
A great sliding door for privacy too.
Yeah, and we really took the opportunity within this last year or so to brighten up the decor, really make things a lot lighter, went more with the gray tone look. This is called Arctic Teak on all of our cabinet doors. That's the wood finish, and then we went with a nice European door style, and then solid, which is a nice solid door. And then we also have European style hinges or hidden hinges. You find definitely in the residential market.
Right. All right, Chandler. Well, is there anything else you wanted to add? Or
I think we've covered it. If
All
you have
right.
any questions, be more than happy to answer them. But thank you for coming to check out the 3352 BH. You can check out any of our floor plans on KeystoneRV.com/passport. And happy camping.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.